Hey guys, in this video I will be discussing about fallback. What exactly is a fallback? A fallback is a value that will be substituted in case there is no data available for a particular field. Now, I've already created a campaign here. Let's just preview this campaign. Now, as you can notice here, I have used two system variables. Please remember there are 68 system variables that you can use in BitFaster campaigns, and the conditions are you need to enclose them in square brackets and they are case sensitive. Also, there is no space anywhere in a system variable. Now, the first one is called full name X, and I've used one more variable called company. Let's go back to BitFaster. Let me open contact manager and let's pick the first contact. As you can notice here, I have put in the company name for one of the contacts, whereas I don't have a value for the other contact. Now let's preview the same campaign with personalization for contact Kiran. Let's preview this. You can see here it says hi Kiran, that got personalized. Is success planned FZE ready? So I can see that the variable has been mail merged with the content that was there in the company field. Now let's go back to BitFaster. We'll pick the second one and let's preview this. Now if you notice, it says hi Abdul, that is perfectly fine, but if you see the second statement here, is ready, it makes no sense. So this is where you can use the concept of fallback to ensure that you don't have incorrect personalization or something that can throw up a grammatical mistake for you. In BitFaster, to set up fallback, you can go to view system variables and fallback. You can see these are the list of variables, and this is where you can input the fallback value. Now fallback value may not be applicable for certain fields or certain variables. As you notice here, for a variable contact ID there is no fallback available, so you can just click on each of the variables to see whether or not a fallback is available. So in this case we were supposed to look at company. Now please remember, when you use the system variables and fallback option, you are setting up fallback at the master level, which means it is applicable for every single email campaign that you create from now on. The same values are copied. Also please note that fallback is applicable only for email campaigns. You cannot use fallback in your SMS campaigns. So in this case I have selected the variable company, and let's say I want to put it as your business, and you can just update that. So now if you come back, it will tell you this is the fallback value, but this is the master list. Once you update the master list, all new campaigns that you create will automatically carry forward the values from the master. But since we have already created this blockchain campaign here, that particular value is not carried forward. Instead, if you want to set up a fallback for campaigns which have already been created, or you want to modify the fallback values, you can just double click on it to edit, and you can click on exclusions and fallback. This tab will show you a list of all the variables and the values that were set up in the master, if any. Now as you can notice here, company, there is no value because this was already created. So let's just put the value here, your business. Update this so it shows you in this particular column, so you know it has been updated, and just make this save it. Now let's go back to the contact Abdul. As you can notice here, the company name is blank. Let's go now and preview in this case. Now you notice, is your business ready? Earlier it just said is ready. Now it says is your business ready. So fallback can help you overcome challenges in terms of personalization, especially if there is no data available for specific fields. Now if there is a value, let's say we just go and update the value here, test company, and we save this. Now let's go back and preview this. Now you notice is test company ready. So it basically helps you avoid any kind of issues with null values or data not available for specific fields. So I hope you enjoyed this video. To learn more about BitFaster, please subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions or suggestions, please use the comments box below and we'll respond as soon as possible. You can download BitFaster Professional for free from our website bitfaster.com. Also, don't forget to sign up for a free 30-day trial of our BitFaster results account, which is our email tracking system. Thanks for your time and have a nice day.